welcome to Jodin's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you 2 smoked recipes for pork ribs and salmon steak. And also I'm going to share with you a fun family activity while waiting for our food to cook. So let's get started! So for the smoked salmon steak, I'm going to be using chili lime, black pepper, and garlic salt. For the smoked pork loin, I'm going to be using garlic salt, black pepper, balsamic vinegar, and the butt rub or barbecue seasoning. Okay, so the ribs and the fish are both in the smoker now. While waiting, maybe I can ask the kids if they want to help me give Mello and Bruno a bath. Give the dogs a bath. You want to help Mommy?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Bruno, come on!
Come here. That's fine. That's so loud.
Mello, Mello, no, Mello, no! No, no.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Hold it. You're gonna get wet now.
Fine.
Give me the
Baby, and yes, of course.
Maybe it's not gonna work for Bruno. Just here, just like before.
Looks like a sheep. Very skinny sheep. That is very dirty. Got that much.
Juliana, I need the water, Daddy. Where's the hose?
Right there next to go. Bruno?
Okay.
Good boy. Mello? Look at me.
Our food is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching our video. Bye!